Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about one mistake that stops many English learners from speaking confidently. And that mistake is translating every sentence in your mind before speaking English. Whenever we want to speak, first we think in our native language, then we try to translate it into English. Because of this, we become slow, confused, and nervous while speaking. But fluent speakers don't translate every sentence. They think directly in English. Now you may ask, how can we stop translating? The answer is simple. Start using small English sentences in your daily life. For example, instead of thinking in your own language, first directly say, I am feeling tired. I am going outside. I need water. What are you doing? This small habit slowly train your brain to think in English naturally. At first, it will feel difficult. You may make mistakes, you may forget words, but that's completely normal. Remember this, fluency does not come from perfect grammar. Fluency comes from daily practice and thinking in English. So, from today, stop translating every sentence, start thinking in simple English, and practice speaking every single day. One day, you will speak English naturally without fear and without overthinking. Thank you so much for watching these videos.